Hey everybody, Sam back once again, and we're here today to look at this bad boy. This is a full leather case from the fantastic people over at Mujjo. It's Mujjo. Now, I'll be honest with you, before they kind of reached out to me, I'd never really heard of them, but when I looked at the website, which I will link down below, and looked at the cases they did, I was like, oh, they look a little nice. Now, it is a full leather case, it is real leather. And it's basically completely covers the whole of the device apart from the bottom part. If you've seen the official Apple one, this is very similar, so take that for what it is. On the side of it, you just get the kind of little Mujjo branding. On the back of it, it tells you a bit about it. So this protective case is fully wrapped with premium quality vegetable tanned leather to create a super slim profile following the contours of the device. Sounds very a bit posh, doesn't it? So you're gonna, if you want to read through all that kind of stuff, you can do. If you want to pause the screen, as you can see there, they're reading Forbes. So instead of distracting from the look, I think it makes the iPhone look even better, apparently. And then Cult of Mac as well. And yeah, nice little packaging actually got here. And then the bottom of it just gives you a bit more information in regards to where it is. So full leather blue, made in China, blah 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 blah. So open it up. Give you a little bit more information in regards to it as well. So again, if you do want to pause it, you can read through all this mumfo as well. Happy days, right? Last but not least, and there we go. I think that's what it's telling you in regards to some kind of what do they call it? There we go, Japanese microfiber. So in terms of the actual inside of it here, which I will show you in a moment. Now, I have been using it for about a week and a half, 2 weeks. Obviously, I've put it back in the box just to show you this today. And you'll see that I've got like a couple little scuffs on it, which is the whole point of a leather case. So it opens up here. And again, the unboxing experience, which, as we all know, you know, if you watch my videos often enough, it's important to me. Because if you're paying a premium price, then you want a kind of a premium experience. And that's what they're giving you here. So take it out. It tells you a bit more about the company, designed in the Netherlands. Good old Dutch's design in this one. I will stick that off to the side. And here is the actual case itself. So I can kind of see they've got a little mark there. There's a few little scuffs on it, but because it is genuine leather. Now, what will happen is the actual leather itself, you'll start kind of probably getting like a bit of a patina on there. And the more you use it, the more little marks you'll get, and it will become effectively customized to you. So obviously when you get it, it's going to look like everyone else's case. But as you can see with mine, it is now starting to look like it's just mine. Because obviously they're the little marks that I've put on it by actually rocking the case. Inside it, again, as I said, there's that Japanese microfiber. You probably just see that like that, where I've got like that, with the branding there again. When I first got it, I was like, you know what, it looks really nice. I love the colouring of it. Obviously, it's not too far off my purple. It's a nice blue colour on there. They do other colours as well. I will put a link down below. They do like a black one, and like a tan coloured one, maybe red I think it might be. But again, links down below if you want to go check it out. And just in terms of the actual craftsmanship, it's very well made. You can tell that it's not a £10 one off AliExpress or, you know, £10 off Amazon or something like that. And obviously when you are getting a case like this and you're kind of paying that little bit of an extra premium price for it, you do want that. So here we go, here's my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I was happy I got the blue one because I think the blue and the gold looks fantastic together. So to stick it in, very straightforward, just basically stick it in one side like that, pop it over, and then kind of push down a little bit. You hear it click in, and then job done, Bob's your uncle, unless he's your cousin. And as you can see, get to focus a little bit, it's now in there. So I have got a screen protector on my phone. So the resistivity is there is a little bit when you don't have a screen protector. When you have a screen protector, it's almost flush. There's still a tiny little bit. It's just not massive. And as you can see here, the actual cutouts at the bottom of the actual case itself, that's the only part that's kind of opened up. So even the button itself is fully covered in that leather and gone all the way up to the top as well. And there, it's got a little cutout for the silencer, and then covers the volume up and down. And the actual cutout for the back of it, as you can probably see, is super snug. So they've got their measurements 100% kind of precise. Now, again, if you do use or buy like a cheaper case, I've had them in the past, don't get me wrong, for the money you can't really go wrong. but you sometimes get like a little gap and then you start getting a little dust in there. You won't get that with this kind of case because there's no room for it to kind of build up the dust and stuff like that. And you got to admit, just the look of it like that, it just looks really, really nice. Feels super premium. Again, I have been using it for about probably around 2 weeks now, so I've got little marks here or there. But that's the whole point of a leather case for me. You know, the more you mark it up, the more it kind of becomes yours, becomes unique to you. I would definitely recommend it if you are looking at the official Apple ones and you're thinking maybe I want a couple of different colours, or I want maybe potentially a better leather, a better quality leather. Then I'll link down below and you can go check these bad boys out. If you've got any questions in regards to it, then let me know in a comment down below. Actually, before we go, I forgot to show you, didn't I? In regards to the actual camera itself. As you can see, it's slightly recessed in there. Don't know if you can kind of see that. Ever so slightly. If I put it on a little angle, you can kind of see it's just got a little bit raised below it. So when you do put it down, you're not going to be damaging your lenses on there, which is obviously we don't want to be doing. We've got those, kind of powerful lenses in the back of the iPhone this year. And yeah, happy days. I'm really impressed with it. This is the case I'm keeping on my phone for the foreseeable future. I do have other ones I've been testing as well, so do stick around to the channel for that, because I've actually got some pretty cool cases coming on the way as well. But if you're looking for a high quality premium leather case, this is definitely one I would recommend for you right now. But that's it. Do you have any questions with regards to this or anything else, be it iPhone related, be it Huawei watch related, you name it, or even Apple watch related, yeah, you name it, hit me up in a comment down below. If you are new to your channel, go on, hit that subscribe button. It is completely free. Doesn't cost you a penny, a nickel or a dime. Still don't know why I say that, but it just comes out of my mouth. And go on, smash the like button. You know you want to. Whoa, Sam, before you leave, you forgot to say, yes, it does actually do wireless charging, so you can, if I show you here, one ma'am, thank you ma'am, it will do wireless charging as well through the case. For some reason I forgot to do that, because when I was doing case videos, wireless charging wasn't really a big thing. So yeah, and I do need to remember to actually include that. So just kind of show you again, it's not charging, stick it on, ba-boom, it's now charging. You can see up here, happy days. So yeah, anyway, Sam, finish the video. Anyway, once again, thank you for watching, and you'll hopefully see me. Well, okay, you won't see me, see the hands in my next video. Cheers, everyone.